Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about basic plotting in R. Plotting is essential in data visualization in R, as it enables us to represent data visually, aiding in the identification of patterns and trends. By using plots in R, one can create graphs like histograms, scatter plots, and box plots to gain insights from data. For example, plotting a scatter plot in R can help to understand the relationship between two variables, such as sales revenue and marketing spend. This visual representation can reveal correlations or patterns that may not be apparent from raw data alone, enhancing the analytical process and decision-making based on data-driven insights. Types of plots in R are essential for data visualization. Scatter plots display relationships between two variables. Line plots are effective for showing trends over time or continuous data. Bar plots are useful for comparing categories. Histograms are ideal for visualizing the distribution of numerical data. For instance, a scatter plot can help explore the correlation between sales and marketing expenditure. On the other hand, a line plot can illustrate temperature variations over the months. Bar plots are handy for comparing sales performance among different regions. Lastly, histograms can reveal the distribution of student scores in a class. Scatter plots are effective for displaying the relationship between two variables graphically. In the given example, a simple scatter plot is created using R programming language. The variables x and y hold values which correspond to points plotted on the graph. The plot function in R is used to create the scatter plot, with x values on the horizontal axis and y values on the vertical axis. Each data point, xy, is represented by a point on the plot. This type of visualization is helpful to identify any patterns or correlations between the two variables. Bar plots are often employed to visually compare distinct categories or groups within a dataset. In the provided R example, a bar plot is created with bars representing the heights specified in the heights vector, and each bar labeled with the corresponding category from the names vector. This type of visualization is useful for quickly analyzing and contrasting data points across different groups. Plotting in R is like creating a blueprint for building a house. Just like how a blueprint maps out each room and structure in a house, a plot in R maps out the data points in a visual format. You can customize the design and layout of the plot, just like you can customize the design and layout of a house. By following a set of instructions and rules, you can create a visually appealing plot, just like how following a blueprint leads to a well-constructed house. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The code demonstrates the process of basic plotting in R using the ggplot2 library, drawing an analogy to creating a blueprint for building a house. Firstly, the necessary library ggplot2 is imported to facilitate the plotting process. Next, sample data is created with two columns x and y to represent the coordinates for plotting. Then, a basic plot is created by using ggplot function with geomPoint to add points reflecting the data. Labels for the title, x-axis, and y-axis are added using labs. Further customization is done by adding a line connecting the points, geomLine, in blue color, changing the point aesthetics with red color, larger size and specific shape, geomPoint. The customized plot includes a title and labeled axes. Finally, the plot is saved as a file, plot.png, using ggsave. This code example provides a foundation for understanding and creating visualizations in R akin to designing a blueprint for a construction project. By exploring various plot types, themes, and annotations, users can further enhance their visualizations, just as they would refine a blueprint for a building project. Plotting in R can be compared to creating a blueprint for a house, where each detail serves a purpose to convey information effectively. Let's explore two real-world applications of basic plotting in R. 1. Financial analysis. When analyzing stock market trends, plotting financial data in R helps visualize price fluctuations over time. By plotting historical stock prices or moving averages, analysts can identify patterns, trends, and potential investment opportunities. Just like a blueprint guides construction, these plots guide financial decisions. 2. Medical research. In medical research, plotting data such as patient outcomes or drug effectiveness can aid in visualizing the impact of treatments. By creating plots in R, researchers can illustrate correlations, outliers, and trends in data, much like how a blueprint guides the development of new medical treatments. By leveraging basic plotting in R, professionals across various industries can effectively communicate complex data insights, just like architects use blueprints to bring designs to life. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.